Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Grab a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and give it a decent greasing. Next, it's time to brown the beef. In a large skillet over medium heat, cook a pound of ground beef until it's no longer pink. Add in a diced medium onion and 2 minced garlic cloves, cooking until the onion becomes soft and translucent. Season with salt and pepper to taste. For an added burst of color and nutrition, stir in half a cup of frozen mixed vegetables and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Remember to drain any excess fat. In a separate bowl, let's create a creamy mixture. Combine 1 can of cream of mushroom soup with half a cup each of sour cream and whole milk. Stir until it's smooth and well mixed. Time to assemble the casserole. Spread half of your ground beef mixture evenly at the bottom of your prepared baking dish. Pour half of your creamy soup mixture over the beef, followed by a sprinkle of 1 cup of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese. Then arrange a single layer of frozen tater tots on top. Repeat these layers with the remaining beef soup mixture and cheese, finishing with a final layer of tater tots. If you're a true cheese lover, feel free to add an extra sprinkle of cheese on top for a cheesier crust. Pop your assembled casserole into your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. When the tater tots turn golden brown and crispy, you'll know it's done. For an extra golden top, consider broiling it for the last 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's baked to perfection, let the casserole cool for about 5 minutes before serving. Add a garnish of fresh parsley or sliced green onions for a burst of color and freshness. This recipe is a harmonious blend of hearty ground beef, creamy cheese, and crispy tater tots. It's a comforting and satisfying meal that's sure to be a hit with everyone. Remember, the best part about cooking is making it your own, so feel free to adapt the recipe by adding more vegetables or experimenting with different types of cheese. For more delicious recipes like this, please make sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon.